Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Syukur bin Azizan from Electrical Engineering Department. Today, my team and I will introduce about measurement devices. Measurement devices are the instrument that being used to measure various amount quantities such as length, mass, current, voltage, power, temperature, and many more. Here are the example of measurement devices that be used in measuring process. But for today, we will learn about how to use clamp meter in measuring current and voltage, and also the operation of kWh meter or kilowatt hours meter. kWh meter or kilowatt hours meter is a measurement device that being used to measure the amount of electrical energy consumed by resident and industrial or any electrical power device. A clamp meter is a device that being used to measure the amount of current directly on the lifeline circuit. For this type of clamp meter, it has additional function such as measuring voltage and capacitance. This trainer, we call it a power meter trainer, which consists a very basic single phase wiring for resident. This trainer will start with the kWh meter, and then it will connect with the dB. The dB consists with a main switch, RCCB, and MCB, and this MCB will connect to the consumer load. The load, we have a bulb lamp at switch 1 and switch 2. At the socket outlet at point A, will connect with the table fan. At the point B, will connect with the water heater, and the point C will connect with the single phase induction motor, and lastly, the point D is connect to the soldering iron. First of all, turn on the RCCB and all of MCB at the distribution box. For the safety purposes, make sure that your hand and fingers are dry. Then, switch on all the load at the trainer by using clamp meter. Turn on the clamp meter and then select the current mode. Clamp the jaws of the clamp meter to live wire at each of the load. Other than measuring current, this clamp meter also can be used to measure voltage. To measure the voltage, we need to change the selector to the voltage mode. Then, put in the positive and negative cable at the input jack. After that, we can connect the clamp meter to the single phase motor. The result shows voltage rating value for this single phase induction motor. For the operation of kWh meter, we can see the increasing value of the meter reading. The difference between the starting meter reading and the last meter reading are the value of the power consumption that being used. That's all the example for how to use the clamp meter and the operation of kWh meter. Hopefully, all of you can understand the process of using this measurement device properly.